Here I was battling a deadline on a scorching afternoon when bam! My precious laptop decided to stage a dramatic exit. Lights out, unresponsive, the whole 9 yard, mwah, gone. Honestly, I was picturing all my files vanishing into thin air. I must tell you, it was a whole shaggy situation. But thankfully, it came back to life. That I even almost booked a section for testimony in church on Sunday. But it got me thinking, hasn't this old faithful laptop been giving me signs that it is almost packing up? Well, today we'll be talking about knowing when it's time for you to give up on that laptop or it's time for you to just do a little upgrade. Let's get to it. First off, how old is your digital companion? If your laptop is not up to 5 years, then I think you just need to hold them. It might just need a little upgrade or some little touches to make it work perfectly okay. Now think of this. If your car is relatively new but the engine feels sluggish, you wouldn't want to buy a new car. You could just check around, check the oil, change the oil, or even change a filter. So the same principle applies here. One major culprit for slow port laptop is limited RAM or an old chunky hard drive. Is your laptop taking ages to boot up? Or is your application taking ages to respond? Now slapping in a new RAM might do the magic. Going from a 4 gig RAM to an 8 gig RAM or even more might definitely put your laptop on the go. Or even swapping your drive for a super speedy solid state drive, that is the SSD, might just be the game changer. It's like giving your laptop a shot of espresso. Now storage. Running out of space might be a great headache. Instead of panicking, my guy, calm down. Magbon, you can consider getting a larger internal storage or even a reliable external one, and you thank me later. Now if your battery life got you glued to a power outlet, acting like a desktop PC, no backup, well, don't panic. You might as well consider a battery replacement, and this will definitely save you a whole lot of money. It is just like getting a new pair of lungs for your laptop. Finally, if you are a lightweight user, the email or the browsing type, a minor upgrade like more RAM or an SSD can make your current machine feel like a brand new one. It's like a mini facelift for your tech. Now let's talk about the point of no return. If your laptop is pushing 5 to 7 years, struggling to keep up with the latest browsing updates or security updates, softwares, frequent freezing, frequent crashing, overheating, my guy, that one no be joke. Trying to do an upgrade on that kind of laptop is like trying to revive a zombie. My guy, get a replacement. Simple. And for the power users out there, the gamers, the video editor, the programmers, well, your needs evolve every time. So trying to upgrade your old machine to meet the latest demanding tasks is like putting a lawnmower engine in a race car. It won't just cut it. Oh my crash, panapata. So just consider replacement. Get a new laptop. Outdated software compatibility. If your laptop can meet up with the latest software used, my guy, consider getting a new one. And for those laptops with physical damages like damaged screen, damaged keyboard that cost more than half of a new laptop, my guy, do the math. It's time to move on. Get a new one. Finally, if your current beast, that is your PC, looks bulky but has the battery life of a mayfly, my guy, a new, sleek, energy-saving, efficient new model will make your life so much easier. So now the big question, an upgrade or a new one? So how do you decide? Look at the cost. Upgrade can cost from a few thousand to a hundred of thousands of naira. A new budget laptop goes around a certain price, while a high performance one can even go higher. Now ask yourself, will this upgrade give me the longevity and the performance that I need? If the upgrade costs more than half the price of a new laptop and doesn't guarantee lasting performance, then a new one is the smarter investment. Now take a good look at that laptop showing you shaking. What is it whispering to you or even shouting to you? Is it upgrade me or replace me with a new one? That is left to you. Alright folks, I've dropped my 2 cents, but the decision is yours. But remember, if you are looking for a reliable laptop plug, look no further than Landstrength. We are the supplier's supplier. If you are looking to upgrade your laptop or get a spanky new one, we got you covered. Visit www.landstrength.com or visit our store in Lagos and in Ibadan. And guess what? We've got better deals for you online. Even the chance to buy now and pay later. Check it out. You can thank me later. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel if you found this video helpful. See you next time. Bye.